bad. Well, don't fret, Cousin Peggy. I called a family meeting. We're gonna take good. We're gonna take good.
Buck, a nice ride in the fresh air. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
I'd like to go out into the fresh air.
Did your mother say something?
I don't think so. Gee, what if they love Buck more than me?
Oh, well, that's just impossible.
You ought to see Buck, Peg, with his head sticking out the window, just like you used to do.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. I'm glad he's not my husband.
No, I haven't treated you like I should, but it doesn't mean I don't care about you. Things will change from now on. You know I always loved you. I don't know what's wrong with him, Peg.
Well, maybe he wants both my pillows.
Comfy boy? You want Mommy's robe?
Okay, Dad. Look, we got Buck a hot water bottle and some new doggy toys.
Well, did you get my tushy loofah?
No. Now listen, good news. Buck's vet says there's nothing wrong with him. He thinks he might feel neglected with the baby coming and all.
Look, kids, let's cheer Buck up. Get on the bed. Now, let's all make funny faces to Buck.
Okay.
If I don't get some attention real soon, I'm leaving.
Come on.
Well, I mean it. I'll go.
Hey, I got a good idea. Let's go downstairs and get us some of that dog food. Show Buck how it's done.
Okay.
I like that
Come on,
stuff.
boys.
Good.
Hey, let's go down and get some grub, boy.
You know, wait a minute. I need some attention. I'm pregnant. All right, fine. Then I'm leaving. You love that dog so much, just go to him when you need, to know, oh, well, it doesn't matter, because I'm leaving.
Mom, say something?
And that's why I came home to Wanker County. I'm just so happy to be here. I needed to be around some normal people, Cousin Eb.
And since when do we talk when a man's got his bag on? Now, what were you gonna say?
Well, what I wanted to say was that I thought I saw a fly dive right into your feed bag.
What do you think the rotten meat's in there for?
In case they're not serving anything at the embassy party you'd like.
Clever bon mot, Cousin Peggy.
So, where's Mom?
She's over at Stumptown for the Festival of the Biggins.
Where's Dad?
Oh, you know your pa. We keep telling him it's okay to come down, Ma's gone. But he's saving all his courage for a real run.
I better go say hi. I was always his favorite. He'll be glad to see me. Hi, Dad! I'm here! It's Peggy!
He must have thought you were your ma. He threw down her fork. And her knife.
Well, I want to be comforted. I had a long bus trip, and all I had to eat was my lunch, and the lunches of the elderly who dozed off near me. Well, I left home because I just wasn't getting enough attention. So now that I'm here, I want to be loved. If you can do it for a hen named Charo, you can do it for me.
Wee, listen to that tongue. You can still shrivel a man like a 3-hour bat. Well, don't fret, Cousin Peggy. I called a family meeting. We're gonna take good wanker care of you.